So what you can also do is you can go ahead and utilize multi-message prompts inside of Qwen. So you can say something like, write a story in 4 paragraphs for the topic I will give in the next message. Right here. Make sure the story is a story is of 40 words right here, just like this. Let's say I'm just going to limit it to 2 paragraphs right here. And I'm going to say do this for each topic I send in the next messages right here. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, then it simply says, please go ahead and send me the first topic. So I can simply go ahead and say computer, let's say for example, and then it'll simply go ahead and then write out a script based on computer right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and say something like video games. So let's just go ahead and say video games. And then it'll simply go ahead and give me the story based on video games right here. So I'm just going to go around now and say Google Chrome, let's say for example, then it'll give me a story based on Google Chrome. So you can see that this is how you can actually give a first prompt right here and say, I'll give topic or something in the next message. And then you can use multi-messaging prompt like this to go ahead and then give topics right here to keep on generating contents as you like. And that is how you can utilize multi-message prompts inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.